Welcome back to another video, guys. It's Brian behind the camera today. So as you guys can see right now, I am on the way to go pick up a J-pipe for my WRX. The one I will be picking up is a Mishimoto Catless J-pipe. I haven't heard many of them. I was looking on YouTube a lot for Mishimoto J-pipes specifically, and I couldn't find many cars with it. But the cars that did come up, I didn't really like how it sounded, to be honest. But I think it was mostly due to the exhaust and not the J-pipe itself, because there was one video in which they had a Mishimoto Catless J-pipe, but I wasn't too sure what exhaust they had, but it sounded exactly how I want my car to sound. If you guys haven't watched one of the previous videos, you guys would know that I have a Tomei on my car. So, you know, I feel like a J-pipe and a Tomei would sound good. So I'm hoping this Mishimoto J-pipe sounds as so here it is, the Mishimoto Catless J-pipe. I forgot to show you guys last night. Well, actually, I went to the gym after I picked it up, so I didn't really have time because I got home not too late, but pretty late to be recording shit because people were sleeping. But anyways, here it is. I'm about to install it right now. Shout out to Jason for sliding because he can help me and with the tools and whatnot. But yeah, here it is. I'm not too sure where the Mishimoto stamp is or anything, but you know, I guess it is Mishimoto, and it has a few scratches and like a dent. I mean, I don't really trip, nothing too crazy, nothing bad, you know. But yeah, here it is, and I'll be continuing the video in the garage installing it. So in the last clip, I mentioned to you guys that I was going to be installing this in the garage. So here I am now with, of course, Jason.
Did you show him already?
Yeah, I showed him. But I also mentioned that you were going to come. So here he is in his 350Z. It's just pretty clean. No cap.
Okay, on that
So if you guys don't remember, oh yeah, and pretty sure you guys saw in the exhaust video comparison, but here it is now. I forgot what he had different from that video to now, but it's sitting pretty clean, to be honest. You look at the wheels; those are a lot better than the ones he had before. And he got it tint, the windshield, and then the sides too, because I don't think it had tint before. But yeah, all it needs is a nice wrap, and it'll be cool. But that's some other video. Today we're focusing on the WRX, installing the J-pipe. So I was watching videos of how to install it and stuff. A lot were saying that it'll take 2 hours, but those fools probably don't got bars. Huh?
For real.
And you know, right now it's just I think the turbo has four bolts, and then 2 on this side of the exhaust. So in total 6 bolts, but I do have to take off some plates and shit. Wait, what's that? I think I got something that you could take it off with.
What?
Like a little, kind of like a flathead type shit.
Bring it.
All right, we'll catch you guys in a bit. I mean, I'm pretty sure a lot of you people know how to, well, WRX owners, not too much of a struggle to install this. Well, I hope not, but
This is cake. Watch me now.
But yeah, that's why I don't really think we should show you like everything we do in this process, because like I said, I don't think it's nothing too complicated. So yeah, once we get out that old one off, I'll start showing you guys again. But for now, I'm gonna cut. Okay, so this thing's at 99%. Please wait while the access board saves. Please wait while the access board generates vehicle data. Do not turn off vehicle or unplug access port. Oh, this might take a while too, so I'm gonna pause the video here and then I'll be back.
Go. All right, first startup, cold start. Yeah. Turbo. turbo? Ryan's all happy right now. Now we can hear the fucking turbo and the Tomei scream. You hear this? The jet noise? Nah, not yet. Oh, you hear it now? The turbo? Let it warm up a little.
You hear that?
Yeah. That's what Brian wanted. Slight rev. One more. There, let it warm up.
Alright guys, I'm gonna take you guys for a little drive with me. See how it sounds from my POV. This is one of my favorite parts of the car, the interior. As you guys can see, it looks pretty, cool. And here's how it sounds of me, driving around. See, bro? I'll do a little pull for you guys right now, so you guys can see how it sounds at higher RPMs. Shit sounds like a diesel. Hopefully there's no cop around right now, because fuck that, I'm not trying to get state revved or something. Alright, just waiting for the light to turn green and you guys will see how it sounds. But this interior is like, my favorite of any car, I believe. I'd say. A little downshift. Alright, I'm gonna see if it pops right now. Alright, just a little FYI, I'm at the car already, but I just realized I was watching the clips, but there is a little rattle, and that's due to I think it's the Tomei that is kind of rattling from the back. I just need to tighten it because it's hanging a little bit low. So once I get that fixed, I think it shouldn't rattle anymore. But that's the only downside so far right now, the rattle. But I just wanted to mention that. All right, guys, I know it's a little dark right now, but we're not here to look at the car. We're here to hear how it sounds. So I'm gonna give you guys a few revs and I'm gonna hit two-step for you guys. Here goes nothing. What do you guys think? I think that shit sounds pretty cool. Obviously it's my car, so I'm gonna be a little biased, but anyways, that's enough for today. I'm at a public school right now and there's houses nearby, so I don't want them to be all mad and fucking call the cops or something. But so I'm probably gonna end the video here. So let me know how it sounds, what you guys think. I'm gonna say it again. This is a Tomei with a Mishimoto J pipe. I think it sounds pretty cool. I think they go good together, but this is the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more mods for the WRX, and I know my boys got something cooking up too, so stay tuned for that also.